Okay. Ipantautin. Amasapenin, Patpa, Damnapa, AP Wapatian Tangwai Num Handlang. Tuni here, Kangdong Lam Hill Zoom online workshop. Ahung Zao Zo Se, Patian Minin, Jibaikan Bot Severe. Tuni, for the second time, we have with us Dr. Kimne Hat Vaipe. Ama hitu masangazong, call it a coincidence. Kaini he Hichipera zong kay mama moderator kada hi in. A resource person and he in Tuni. I'm so fortunate to once again be the moderator. Tuni a whole adinga topic. I think this is so relevant, especially during this time of pandemic. And like I said, we're so fortunate to have with us Dr. Kimne Hat Vaipe. The topic for today's discussion would be on suicide and self-harm. I repeat, suicide and self-harm. Ama phat kapi do masangin keman ama profile chom cha kan say here. Ama hele tule to ahi, she's currently working as assistant professor in the Department of Psychiatric Social Work, Nimhans, Bangalore. She's also a consultant at Adult Psychiatry Unit and Perinatal Psychiatry Unit. Mahi Ahile, she has worked as assistant professor in the Department of Psychiatry at St. John's Medical College and Hospital, Bangalore. Ma education chong cha kan say de here. Ama education cho ahile MPhil and PhD at Nimhans, MSW at Bangalore University. BA at San Francisco College for Women, Hyderabad. In our area of interest, focus she focuses on women as well as mental health. In last time among discussion mental health in Tuni. Once again we have here with us Dr. Kimne Hat Vaipe, who will be sharing on suicide and self-harm. Ama part kapido masangin kay man hichi program hi kan lando dia hiin patien ko mataw na mangute taute. God most high and everlasting Father, we once again would like to come before your presence in the name of your Son Jesus. Father, we give you thanks and we give you glory and honor for the opportunity that you have given to us for this time where we could come here together in this online Zoom fellowship. Father, I commit the resource person into your care. May you take control of whatever she had prepared so that she will be able to translate it and that she will be able to deliver it to each and every one of us present here in this Zoom online service. I also would like to take this time to pray for each of the participants. Continue to give us the wisdom and knowledge so that we may be able to understand and so that we will be able to understand, and that Lord help us to apply it on our life practically. Committing the resource person and each one of us into your love and care in Christ Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Tuni hi ahile masanga ibol zing banga ibol di uhiin. Aman part and mandi, aman part on the topic suicide and self-harm. An man chai le, we will have an open discussion. Questionnaires no you can write it down. A message box no mean in case like if you are not comfortable to ask public, and message as private as on the anything related to suicide and self-harm. If you don't want to put it in public, the questions no on message as private azong public azong so you can say no mean. So without waiting.
Please unmute yourself once. Unmistakenly, I mute you.
Any long. I don't know where did I miss out, but kasi mga discussion to inake in no question na neule. Anything related to suicide and self-harm, please keep it with you, the questions. We will have like enough time to have discussion after the amount part and thing. And then you are always free to message us privately or publicly. Yeah, laya message box on min. So you can head in. So without waiting any longer, without wasting any time, I would like to invite respected Dr. Kimne Hat Vaipe to come over and take your time.
Kakipa in na masapenin lamkai ho hi na ban le tuni webinara hung zau zo si chungin ki pathu le kangai lut na chibai kan be masapenin tuni topic hi tu hanglai ta adi in covid sunga covid pandemic sunga hin relevant ma ma jingin ke honyong clinica ka bui bi pe nu le phone call sa ka mu tam pe nu thil incident khat ai lo le problem khat ahin tuni kahung ki good dan he le no ho langa pana idine ki nep diu ham chu ka hepu nei wangin ken kahung ki prepare dan chu hi le them khat concept clarification ka bol no min suicide na hi ban le India incidence rate ho them khat hin sei gung katin aban le suicide he misconceptions ho ahin azole itabang hi koi tabang hi risk factor ham na suicide bolding risk ham ai lo le itabang mi hi protective factors to ipiham di them khat saying kadin aban le itidana panla theding ham hi them khat chi topic chi ho chung kahin ki gongin chi ho dungzia chu kan sei di hin alhangpin ki hon suicide elo le self harm topic hi ka sei phan le training danin ka pezivin a minimum of 5 days to 1 week gatekeepers training ka divin chu can concise ta kan sei dihin tu ni hi cha hi ka sei na hi a clear law a hi lo le ne he thim lo ma le lingin a sei banga a ki chai na lang le them khat clarify bol the chen in ken yong hin bol gung katin ama sa pen in terms akimang terms heading them khat poimo ka sa ho hin sei gung katin self harm iti phanai le hin alang pin tu in commonly use research ho yong hin self harm hi aki sei tam zotan azi chu a hope lin zo in suicide iti le chu head bangin thina ending result chu thina na chi chu ahin death chu ahin self harm iti phalawang chu death yong include nin abana attempt bol ho yong include nin abana attempt abola athilo ho yong include abolin na chi chu concept them khat kan sei movement chibana headinga hoi kasakit cho hile suicide attempt bol iti le suicide bol akitinai ahi yengin na ahi wanga chu attempt abol ahi wanga thilo ti hi chi concept hi a important ma jingin aji chu ipiham thile tu incidence rate ho ivetle mi khat suicide na athina hin mi somni in suicide attempt abole na thilo ahi wanga suicide dinga anaki gong suicide anabol attempt anabol ki chu aumin che suicide attempt bol ho he lang pin ke ho vet ho yong hi ahin aban le ipiding suicide attempt itida dana complete lo hametile two concept of kitnin interrupted attempt na a insungli te hon agamu do ham ahi lo le mi aveng ho win agamu do ham a suicide bol good chu cha chu an kham manu ti khat yong omin interrupted attempt abana a second concept chu le thinom ma jing ahi wanga akitha good na chu high kit na akitha good na ai lo la hin hu ala good na chu asu tan ji a reason yong tam ta min ipiza chi concept hi ka sei ham dile suicide iti phat le hin attempt anabol zo ta thina anatu ta de hin amho chunga hi intervention panla phat hi akinei tampun ai wangin panla the na din mun che le suicide attempt anabol de na suicidal thoughts ni de chi ho hi pan hoi ta la the ei lo wale ven the ahin chi 2016 WHO 10 map a bol now hi village a dark red pen hi ho India map yong hu ga village chi country dark red ho he le more than 15 per lakh population a suicide bol na gam suicide incident rate san na gamahin chang hi India hi asang pen na gamin apangin na abana India ayong hi reason chumchumin aki khenkitnin suicide hoilaya he tamam ida evenale India sunga he southern state Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu ti holahin mundang sangin arit asang zukitnin abanin mid India UP ti ho Haryana ti ho second level in apanguvin abanda alop na lang chele northern India ti Kashmir lang ho chilang kun incident rate chol ho min ai wanga event na le pizi alanga ku incident rate form ham medile khat chu Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra ho dunga hi reporting ahoyin hospital la kipui hilawale incident rate police ki complain hi je en national crime te hun a record anewin not lang Kashmir lang elole ho north east lang ako alampia suicide yung le police ko maga ki inform lo na ti tamta under reporting zi yung himay the intin a incident lo hi po na hiwangin chi ho zi yung chu hintin ti India them hat ga het na dinga the worldwide na hi vet kinale every year 8 lakhs dung himi suicide na atin na izo ka say bangin mi khat suicide abol na hin mi som niwal attempt abol successful lo na complete lo mi kinin abana leading cause of death in 15 to 29 youth hangtha la hin atamin aban le suicide in hian chu mani bun koi numela inyong omin pusal la inyong omin abanin upala ayong older age western statistic ho khu ivenale older age kum tam lang ho yung incident rate tam ta kinin abana akang avong tin ethnicity ayong ahendi pun so global phenomenon khat ahin abana lifespan na hi the thil khat yong ahin chi ipidinga suicide hi ham idile wangchu reason khat bo hi pun na multifactorial thil tamta zi ahi thein khat chuile biological brain chemicals ho amasan yung Dr. George yung asay tan serotonin na serotonin zi in yung ahi thein azo in social environmental factors sumlepai hasat na insung nokmo na elole kihen na ham ahi lowal thina insunga hum tu ham ahi lole mi la zoom kitu na ham tin thil chung factors min pinpoint ki bol theipun je ai wanga researcher ki mu khat chele alhangpi in chapang la le adolescents la suicide hi ai mental health issues depression na lungnop mo hlasi ti depression hin atamzo chizi a he tin research in amun India themkhat lut kitleng India hi kumsi a 1 lakh lang suicide a uminna abale kumsom thunglang data of Vietnawa chun episode tile suicide rate hang che in akim lang manolowin a hang langin a chi in abanle India hi suicide rates hi 71% hi kumsom li noi lang mi hang tha hi lai ta productive age a hi lai ta hin suicide hi atamin abanle male female ratio numei ta pusal akite na hin pusal te 1.4 a chu numei khat ahin pusala hi atam zon mundang literature ho ivenale pusal hi hatamina tamzon ai wangin India hi ivenale numei to pusal ratio hi aki hebi pun azi chu pizia ham tele domestic violence dowry harassment elowale thil chung chung hozi iding hin ase yuvin abana chi India ahi about 37 kase khelo le 37% global society India in contribute bole din na eho gama suicide atamdan chu them khat ga het na dinga kan se hintin tun covid lang hung ki le covid sung hin yong suicide atamma mazigin e la inyong e mi I het la inyong ahung umen ipidinga covid sunga hi suicide hung tam ham aban le covid bana hi yong possible risk ativin na researcher on atam zone covid zoa covid yong hi hung kil ham thazong le risk suicide risk hi asang na laye tin hian khat researcher hon ase yuvin ipizia covid sunga hi suicide tam ham dile ama sa pe na chol fear of infection na infection na anaki he thim lozi chu na a first suicide incident in Kerala a chapangnu bangchu first incident Kerala a bangchu ipitiam tile ama hi viral fever ne le covid ka veitai da tiza wala ki that ti hona infection chi ki chat na ji chu yong hin aban le atam zo chu ele social isolation mi to kikimu to theidalo iloi ipai kikimu te to theidalo loneliness hopelessness na loneliness hi atamin aban hopelessness ji chu uncertainty zinga ipikiti di hamti akisei theilo ji chunchi uncertainty ji le future radinga hope inelo ho ji chun chu ho yong chu predictors khanin kitnin aban le social stigma discrimination na ai hoi ang mele nu chapang nu first suicide covid sunga nu yong chu event nale ji social stigma hozi chun suicide attempt complete suicide anabole ti ho aban le adang khat kit chu hele sum le pai suicide covid zira he sum ha sa na hum ai lo wale inato kinei zo talo na inato kilos ti ho zo zehin elol isumu na di kimu thei talo to sum le pai hasat na zehin yong suicide ana umen abana le mi to ikimulo isolation zehin suicide khat atam ma market khat chu koi group ma ki mu ham tile alcohol use research in times alcohol withdrawal symptoms akitin alcohol chu ahung ki ban pe na chu tho zo lo na withdrawal symptoms azudon adon lo chu tho zo lo wa suicide yong tamta case report tamta akimuen chi hozi hin arampi in covid sungin yong suicide atamin aban le het dinga ahoi khat ki chu hi le imasanga yong hi tu chanang hi unpredictable uncertainties umna lai hin aban le economic recession hi sumle pai hasat na ni le chahol na hasat na hung tam che che di hin chi hi risk factor khat imasanga I hung tu di khat thil khat hin abana le chi covid sunga hin yong hospitals ho ki chi ngam lo na ki chat na ji e lo wale hospital ho yong shut down zillion etile thu hat lo na mi ho abana I insunga mi thi na hung to covid related ze a thi na hung to ho la hin amo hi vulnerable group elo le risk group min akoyuven azo in covid issues sum ele depression til ama sanong kasay non them khat ga het kit na din hin say kit in katin depression ihung thi phat ne hen lung nom mo lung hi na thila lung lut na ki nei ta lo elo le imu thei lo elo le ipha ilungel chim thei lo ti ho khat hin anxiety disorder iti phat kit le hin jo ilung kigel yang na ilung kham yang ti ho he a hi kit nen aban le zu alcohol or drugs ho chong he ahin aban le other psychotic symptoms na psychiatric disorder cho ho hin suicide hi asutame tin researcher hon amu kha cho hin tu hin them khat myths facts about suicide them khat ga se yu hitin amit chele mi khat ve ki thanom elo le thinom ho hi ahin khupum pi a thinom ahina always remain suicidal ti hi myth hin azi chu suicidal thoughts hi short term na chongcha hung ani a ham elol hapta khat sung ham a umin atha akuma thil a hi pun na aban le situation specific for example insung hasat na ki tu ham elowale public nga zoom na ki tu ham ti hodung elowale idomo pa tu ki hen punat wal ham na situation specific ahin to ti permanent thoughts ahi pun uma abei the na abana suicidal thoughts nei hoyong ahin ho hoi ta mang lung ti yong mi tam ta umin chi khat ahin a second na chi important kasan azi chu a ho society a lo le a community sungayong suicide thu hi kisei tam nom lo kisei ngam lo ham a lo wale seidingang ki koilo ham a lo isei nom lo zi hamla aki hapun chu igel dana hi suicide thu ho hi ha kisei le min izole hungbol tam khan te ti aki ki chat na khat yong akani na ai hi wangin headinga ahoi affect chu ipi ham ti le suicide hi stigma attach a umin e ho lang yong suicide na thi ho dung khu WhatsApp group ham Facebook hama hum kitab phana le hun iga comment na mizo sin wang ai bu ye wang hin khaden aga comment na khu le punat uma hin mi me san he na elo pathin hello he ti ho elo wale sin ka se hilela izole pastor hon a clarified bin din society sin elo chon sit na ki gel yeng na ti ho chi hin mi chitamanga suicidal thoughts nei ho hin sei do ngam lo ai lo wale health ngam lo ti tam ta yong umen cha chu chi isei lo chena hi mi chitabang lungel nei ho hin sei na di hello elo help la na di nei lo a hison ji chun ha seiding elo wale awareness I happy chena chu chitabang lung thim nok mo na elo le ki thanom na I hin khu la anom na I nei pha na le chi ko me hin chi leng help di heti chi direction chu ap zo theidi hi ji chun chi had suicide to hi ha seitam abana open discussion ha nei tam hin thil asu phat zo da asu si lam zo helo asu phat zo ding ahin abana most suicide atam zo hi warning lowin ahizi din athang hen khat wang chu warning lowa itha gel ahin khola yeng yong mi omin ai wangin atam zo hi them khat warning signs api na athu se ya ham ai lo la chan hin in sung mi angai lu te ham aloi angai lu te ho kom hin them khat signal api mi umin ti signal api dem khat izola behavioral chan langa warning signs ho chung se katin war I khat verbal cues di them khat an sei do ho kithile phante elo la ka hin ho hi beile phante ti ho dung sei na elo wale ke hi munchum khat na ka chi di dai ti ho dung mi a sei ho hi serious ta ai lo wale hoi ta angai thapi apoi mo in chi hian khat hun aloi pha ho kom khunyong farewell message du yong ana pezi win ai lo wale preparation mi pa ho bang to ake ho case ne ho hun plan hoi ten bolin a in mun ho yong acha te mina an ziu na a suicide masanga chi ho plan bol mi au bin chi verbal cues elol athu seyu apat elol aum jan ba pana identify bol theina aumin aban le khat aki seyu chu chipa khun hiti hin lo chang hizat hin le athili bahai elol le chipa ki khaili go ho khu ichen elol itidana bol leu thidiu bahai ti hodung cues pe yong mi au min na chele them khat verbal mi chum chuma pana kan la hin abana khat important kit khat chu ele the voices tell me to kill myself na to aken nang ho banga ka holima naza bangwa hi hen khat psychotic symptoms ne ho hallucinations akitin na hallucinations ne ho khu to aken ka sei banga he abiluwa elole abiluwa ging kichom han thi in chichu bolin ta he adisen in psychotic symptoms ne hon atamin abanle alcohol induced psychotic symptoms ne ho zu don ho abanle adidin ganja cannabis bol ho chola hun auditory hallucinations se atamin amo yong khu risk group ahin chichu chichen hinten abana someone who is suicidal is determined to die athi nom ta yong tam ta min ai wangin hian khat suicide bol ho akisi yong tam ta min na to aki ho case vet ho kunyo azi chu chilai incident lai ta chu elo chi phat ta chu thinom na lungthim nei ha sa sawal thinom na lungthim nei wangwa chu ambivalent ite lungel kichi elo le decide thelo mi yong tam ta min chi ho hi emotional support day ho identify bola help bol hi chi yong hin prevent ki bol thei di hin aban le mi suicide say ho hin suicide abol pu veti khat yong hin na amo sei yu he tia hi easy ta lapi loading yong aphan azi chu chitabanga sei kathinom ta ye kithila phan te ti ho he help ngai cha panpi na ngai cha a an sei do yong hi mai the hin chi chun amo ho phat pi elol amo ho a distress u ti ham anu mo sa anau chu he thim pi a ngai la pi chu chu hum poi mountain azi alang pi in mental health problems are anxiety depression akitin aban le depression na hu 3 symptoms na 3 core symptoms akitin au umin chi chu ipam the hopeless kinep na nei lo wa ki gel na a future ding imacha da pui da ki gel ha second chele worthless ke hi imacha ke hi pui na pan na be ke he ta ki ngai la ki gel ha an khat nei aban helpless ka situation apana hi koi man ei hu do zo da punte a way out ta puyati wordlessness helplessness chi hi min ahung nei phatna le chi phat le hin chu amasang chu abingzi in chi phat le jun suicide attempt ho yong hi atamzi in chi warning signs is chun verbal cues them khat ka se in tun behavioral cues ti de ham them khat hin se gatin chahi min koi tabang ho hi warning sign idi het do de ham idi le mi suicide ka hin hu hi ki chai le ka te elol ki thile phan te ti a alungel ho elol aplan ho se la ho khu chu ho hoita i khat ngayin vet ngayin aban le thil ale khasim na lang ham ei lo le anato na lang ham ai lo wal ai insung na to na lang hama changes na til dan hung ki hel wal ho le khalang yong lut zo ta lo ela an to na ang chi zo ta lo absence ni ni danga hoi ta regular a kai pa chu an to na lung lut zo ta lo chi yong chi nom ta lo elo le in sunga an to di yong don be ta lo na ti ho chu ho yong hu warning sign khat a hin abana changes in mood i mood ahung ha ki hel wal na ihi sumun ham ahilowale kilasemun ham ahilowale kilunghang mun ham na elo ilhase seyeng ti hodung ti ho yong mood changes ni dang to banglowa i mood changes le chongchu warning sign khat ahin abana what is on ka say dan expressing hopelessness about future na amasang ding thin sawal elo amasang ding hasa sawal ti ho yong hi warning sign hin aban le chana mi la ayong hung ki zaw talun dina mi tho to yong hoi ta ki ho achanga hung ta mi la ayong pang nom talo elo le thil ni danga alung lut na ang lung lut zo talo elo lo mo lung hang pai alung tong ti ho na chu ho zong hin ahin azole zu alcohol yong hi alcohol le hin aban drugs yong hin suicidal risk asangin amo hin elowale nupan ki hen ham insunga dongma chan ki hen ham elowale public humiliation ham bullying ham ti hodung incidents ho atu ho yong hi amo hi ya what risk ka umuvin indicators ele khat studies in yong tam ta mu chui pi hamati le nidanga amasa ayong ana attempt bolta suicide attempt bolte hoi amoi higher risk sa umuvin na suicide bol kitna di chance asangin abana mental health problems izo akasay banga depression severe depression ni elole anxiety ni ahilowale alcohol substance addiction ni ho chihola hinyo atamin elole psychotic symptoms izo akasay bang auditory hallucinations di hola inyong atamin abanle sumle pai hasat na elowale sum inna to na hungki ina to na talo na di hodung abana ihat covid sungang suicide atamna case khat chele domestic violence na abuse emotional abuse physical abuse ti ho chozi elo trauma incident til hasata khat hung ki tu kha hamna chihodung ho hinyong indicate abol nomin aban le chronic pain cancer na ham cancer la abana na HIV nei ho ti hola hinyong chi suicide here asangin so hi research apana indicators amutyo jo ahin abana to kan say di ahile risk and protective factors na level chumin na umin personal level lang hi a risk hi na yong umin aban le dal do na chi suicide na pana koi kang ham dal do khat protective factors yong hi umin chi a level ho cho ban banin hin sei wong katen individual level la risk factors cheli zo aka sei bangin mental disorder ananete pola hin them khat risk factor aumin ai wanga I het di khat chu suicide zo si hi mental disorder zi a hipun thil chum hasat na insung hasat na elowale society a hasat na itu te ho sumlepai hasat na itu te ho zi no alhampi atam zo hi chozi chunyo a hi thein evanga depression na ho izo aka say hopeless helpless hi ta ho chodung khun suicide risk asang zone abana alcohol harmful use addict an hi ta te ho elole alcohol ha man ho na ha don ho ti hola hinyong atam numin chu individual factors hintin relationship ma hi ivet kinale relationship conflict na insunga inule patu ki tu lo na ham elo uche ki ka ki tu lo na ham elo le nupan ki ka ki tu mo na ham elo doma chan ki ka ki tu mo na ham chi na conflict umji hinyong suicide predict abolin abana le loss i ngai pen na hung thi inu ipa ham a hilowa le iloi ngai pen ham elo hian khat chu research ang ki mu chu ele ipet na ui cha ki wa ui cha chu ilung sit wal ahung thi ham ti hozi chu no loss zi inyong thein aban le insung ki tu mon ho discord zi inyong thein aban le trauma and abuse domestic violence ho aban le loneliness chi hiong suicide na dinga predictor khat ahin lunghel na ai lo le ite say da loneliness chi hiong hin abana community tu chung disaster situation thi pandemic ngang imutawin dislocation na mun chuma ki sif ti ho elowa discrimination ho zi ho hin yong suicide predictable thein abana societal level ai mule apoi mo khat laya kasa chu thilni aumin khat chu inappropriate media reporting na media group ho ham news ho ham dunga to abang celebrities ho khat hum thi ale sensationalize hum ki bol elo glamorize hum ki bol na ti ho dung om phatna le hin studies tam tai nong akimun USA comedian actor ba athi chunyong ama thi zo chom khat chun suicide rate hong sangin abanin Korea yong ho celebrities or suicide ki bol chi zo chun suicide hong sang kin na abana India yong ho Hollywood actor ho tung ahung thi phat bule amu ho zowa hu within a month or 2 months a suicide rate hi ahung sang ji chi reporting media in yong tamta na tong thin elo le amon yong pan ala thiyuin na abanin apoi mo khat chu ipikit hamiti le stigma associated with help seeking chi depression ham ine elo mental health issues ine phala za chat na langa kila a hilowa le nok mon da langa kila help umna ke heyong le kidel num lo na min he khante a hilowa le min ETA gel de ham ti hodung ingai tu na ji chunyong mi tamta help la lowa athu a thu zo lowa a hin ho kila ti yong mi tamta om kinin chongchu important factor khat a hin chu hintin protective factors atile chi awa ko nai ipihin e dal do amna ata ivet kina hele individual factors in life skills or lifestyle practice na positive coping hasat na itu wanga positive negative coping lang lo positive coping lang eho Christian da choile ibol pen chu pham te taw na ki nei elo bible kisim elo le mi khat ko ma pastor ho ko ma ham ga ki se ya taw na ki thum na elo le iloi ho ko ma ki se do ti ho chu positive coping a hin na negative coping I hung ti pha le chun le ki koi kang elo le zu ham drugs ham ki bol na elo le mi to yong ki loi ta lo ichanga ki uma ki thu jing ti ho so chu negative coping a hin chi positive coping nei ho abana thil changes umyong le adapt bol the ho chu protective factors a hin abanin research ang tam ta ki mu chu ipham dile strong religious affiliation na holang elwale spiritual religious belief nei ho hi chu ho hi suicide na pana suicide amola hin alhomin na to bang Christianity la hin yong adang ho religion da dang ho la hin ivetna le Christian a he lo a hi bun a hi wangin adang ho religion ho sanga alhom zo ipizhe ham ti le Christian doctrine in ipisem ti ihin ho chu e a hello man ki pia ani ki chosata ane pathinin ajesun man apia e chosa na a hi ta ti ita sa e a hello ti ho chi concept ho zi yong chu himai thin tin abana khat chele suicide hi iki cha zi yong chong chu protective factors kha hin na chi strong religious spiritual affiliation hi suicide predictor kha hin abana positive strategies and well-being adapt bolding idon ine ti hoyong hi apoi mo in abana physical activity exercise la ho walking ball ho football pe ho hanna physical activity yong hi chong hin mental health promote a ballin ita sale ilung thima ding a hoin aban le imu itu ti hin ahin abana relationship mai ti phana le strong personal relationship na strong
Stephen?
Strong personal relationship nei hi ahoyin iloi khat ingai khat ham ahi lowale inule pato relationship hoida ane ham ahi lowale isu pi khat to relationship hoida nei ham tin chi yong hin protect hoite in a bole tin chi incident khat hung sailing ki ho kis suicide attempt bol ho aborted izo aka sei ma ju abol good wanga high ti ho ai wang chu depression a uma ahunga ike ho limpi ho hu ido ale suicide attempt na bol kha am itile a disease na ele to describe i bol sale ta ki highly gun pun hoyong kalan fena ka ki highly go le ka chapa ahung wa lut ka mule chi chun a kham he na ka ki tha go chu a kham he atin hian khat chu nei le ka cha te ka gela le chi chun a khat he kan hule ka pa din mun di ka gela le chi chun prevent a ball he ti ho na chi strong personal relationship with family with friends a hi lawale ina je ham I job je ham ho chu chong hin prevent a ball the abana le strong personal relationship with God na spiritual religious affiliation is agati yong chu chong hin protect a ball the hin abana community community supportive social network nei na e holanga chi kasimji phana le chi hinte e holang suicide rates alhom na e lo le e holang e ki protect na he azi chu kolgama ki umahin kol ho bang he athi wale a inova story khat hung seile ka pastor pau a in mai te athi in ke ho Bangalore ka pastor pa amate nyon che e holang danin ho sa te in anu pa honin in mai te apau thi chu agala ga chi wale oi mai lo acha hono akung a dead body ko ma cho to yong lo kidang asa mo chi yong cho chi ta ma cho mo hi uma hi vin ai wangin e ho lang chu ithi na bang itu ha sat na bang itu yong le mi iloi pha income ho neighbors ho hungna amhon support emotional support physical support ap chu ho yong chun ithu ha sat na chu tamta asuni men chi chun mi to link ki bol socialize bol social network kisim chi he important factors khat ahin chi hi them khat ka sei no men azi chu e wanyong in I life wa hi hung tu mai thi I loi khat ham e lo le isu pi khat ham e lo wale I to hom pi khat ham chitabanga death wishes e lo wale suicidal thoughts nei ho hi a kha le iti help bolding ham na ti chu them khat ka sei num ji chun chi kan sei hin ama sab pe na chu le help pi ding na to offering help ahin abana amho problems ne ya hung ho cho hoi ta ngai la pi ding chi hi apoi mo in na sei sa ding e angai tha te chun ha sei ngai lo amho chu a problem chu hoi ta sei la sa ngai pi ding abana validate their emotions na ipi apu na now to head team pi ding chi chu apoi mo in abana be non judgmental hian kha chu I het sa dung ha sanan se phana le alang pin ki sei non cho chi chun na bol je a cho na ki oi mo pai a hi lo wa le chi chun na bol lo le chun pha cho ti min ha sat ta hung lai ta en amu chu chi chun na bol je a he chi chu je a he ta in ngo a le khat te ong chun alung nop mo na chu ki ham lo de hin na chi not to be judgmental at the moment na chi phat na chu bol loading abana o chi tabang hi nang sang sang ha sat na tu yong mi tam ta aw ne nanga hi macha hi pu ye ta sei nim pi ho yong chu a hoi pun na dili bol phat na le aban le e ki hon yong ka bolo a hoi ma kha che le building a contract ka sin bi ji win chi tabang hi risk a tai ti phat na le i khanin chi health i hol de hin chi hol ma sang hin suicide na bol loading na bol loading tin contract ka bol pi ji wit het khat hun amangu win atam zo hun contract i bol pi ale written contract ka lawin chi hu ki khan hin chi ji chun chi da bang contract ho yong hi a helpful in abana do hian khat chu ki dong ngam lo thla se ta lungai ta am ho ki dong ngam lo hin ai wangin best suicide prevent bol thein dinga chu eli ido anga in na chita bang hin hu ki la anom na elo le hinom na lungthim na niyam na chi direct nga do aphan abana nidanga chu na ne attempt kha am ti yong hi important cues khat hin na do ngam cho hoin abana le keep them safe na adi sena mi achanga ho ham a hilowale anula pa gam chum munchuma amo achanga ti ho di chu a hi phatna lewang chu amo a safety dingel pi ding insunga nai for room ho ham a hilowale ipeham lo chang tam ta ti ho tung cho opana chu vending chu phantin abana le izo aka seibanga aha sat naw ngai la pi ding na head team pi ding chi chu a hoin abana le en i bol zo ro dinga igin cha na le suicidal thoughts ho an se a i khat pha na le encourage bola mental health professionals ko ma chi ding ham a hi lo le helpline sa help la ding ham ti ho chu sei pi ding phantin aban le a insung mi te to umlo chu a insung mi te ong ga het sa chu hoi mama ding na aloi ham a hilo la in ko te ham to ga connect elo le sei pi a amon yong panala theina ding wa chu 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 ele protect ichen ham ki bol thei di hin aban le crisis situation a tai ti pha le chun chini bo chu hiloin ani ban ba na yong khat ve le ga do ziding ipinati nam tuni ipina bolam oilang na chi de ham na elo le kholai lenga hong ta connect bol pi chu chu follow up bol chu a hoyin ti conclude na dinga hele I het dinga poi mo ben chu problems are never permanent na problems so hasat na chu hungin tin aban le chom kha zo le bein tin aban le tha khat hung umin tin a permanent umpun abana adidia Christian context adinga wang chu in hula ti hi acceptable law ahin to Bible ang akimu in na a important message kapi num khat chu hi le hasat na when the battle is tough na hasat wal phat na le nang le nangin handle bol gu hi in lang mi khat ko ma sei le chun chipat le chun na sei na pa na sei nu ham chun option dang na a way out ding an hol pi the hin chi chun a hasat wal phat ilung a keep wal phat elo ilung no mo wal phat le le ya ke koi lowa them phat sei do chu say do reach out bol chu important in aban le help is available mental health professionals so umin amho ko maung help la jing the he ti che hin chi them khat helplines number kan ko in cities of sin helplines ne in manipuri nyo o umin chi hi call yang the na website na ivit yong le suicide helpline ham elo mental health concerns in a helpline hospital IT no low young le helpline la na the aume ticho chichen chu kathu sei hintin question do nom e lo ale he thim lo umale na over to you, Ling.
Okay, thank you so much for enlightening us with so many insights. For the second time, and Tuni here, without wasting any more time, questioners are lut payitin. I would like to request Bro Min Loon as well as the co-host Stephen to kindly help me. You can just raise your hand. Bro Min Loon and Stephen, they're on the computer, so they can see all of you. Bro Min Loon, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Ling.
Okay. Mihon question prepared about Pera. I would like to take this first opportunity to ask. It's actually not a question. I'm actually looking for a suggestion. Kaloino Thiem Nuzong, if I'm not mistaken, she's here, and I'm 100% sure that she will be aware of this incident. It happened some 2 years back, and kiho neighbor Aminchu say da zengye kiho neighbor khat chapang khat hi ki khaili go in. Ahile aki khaili just a teenager at the most maybe 15-16 years old in. A reason to call it's a very silly reason. The reason and say reason to ahile amachun anule apako ma branded til khat atum branded sleeper khat atum to anule apan anu khungai tadi in atia ala anule apan kachopi lo di hesong atipon. We'll try to adjust it next month at to apuna lama anaki khaili go in kaga agele isay banga chu they are doing they are even willing to give their life like for the sake of getting that. From a spiritual perspective, they reach out to me and then they were like, can you kindly come and counsel him? He was in shock too. And I realized this is not the time to talk about religious stuff. So I just sat there and I listened to him. And I'm so happy because you mentioned that the importance of listening. We all want to talk, but we don't want to listen to the problems. From a medical perspective, tuni resource person komakado anom chahile. I realized that every time you can't talk about God, I'm not saying that to say but from my practical experience, I realized that you cannot always sit and just say, this is what is written in the Holy Book. You can't do that. He's actually in shock. He himself is in shock. Was in shock. So I realized that all I could do is just sit and let him just compose himself. Kasi nom jahila hiti hoteng le hi iti. From a medical perspective, like parents cannot always give whatever they want. Maybe they can provide whatever they need, but they cannot always provide whatever they want. They are getting suicidal just because of that. This is suggestions even for my future ministry. If at all I have to encounter such thing, medical perspective itihi dil ki bol thei dem chu tuni kando nomine here.
Okay, thank you. Iso chun factors kasein na hian khat chuile til okay chimasang chun suicide attempt ball impulsivity kiti khat umin na very impulsive lungel de blowa kithat goyong adi sen in adolescents young adults ti lahin jihi atamin na to abang newspaper dunga imovin mobile gaming addiction ne anule pa ko ma phone demand acho pilo kithat yin ki khaili yong na at completed suicide yong tam taw min si alang pi hin so ele impulsivity in nature na impulsive in nature ahin ai wanga chu mizo si chu hi pun na chu factors personality factors umin cha chu impulsivity hi one criteria hin na elole threaten ball na dinga hian kha chu ele threaten ball na di anula pa threaten ball na di jam ki kap ki at yeng elo ki highly go yeng so that the demands are fulfilled na o yong ha umin ji chu hin chum iwa ka say bang chu multifactorial pinpoint ki ball thei pun suicide attempt me I wanga at that point of time the best way to do is to de-escalate the situation na a situation to su sangbelo the de-escalate balding chu important pen hin nangin to ana say banga chu active listening na ipiham apu na pen chu ipiham alungim na pen chu ipiham ahasat na chu hoita ikhana chu say sa het na abana chu zowa chu enyong ihil nom ham elwale a better way of handling the situation china better problem solving techniques to heal chilanga chichu ki bolle yeah I think that's the way to deal with it
Palme adang imungam
one thing at a time.
Until khat kan do de ha.
sure please.
Khat chi depression adi se na anxiety titenia ko na jowana seo suicide ho yong chungum thai hi na ale depression and anxiety hi piha jandam thai ham curable ham ailawa hele lo ne jong le chinai ho khat chu thieng chat lo wa heta chu thai jing ding ham chika la chu ne khat ka het no me
anxiety to depression ani ni treatable hin na treat bol the zen the abana azen anat na kipatila ihe do izen sa di hun ipeha a recovery chances to ahoyin na ji abana a treatment hi thilni in aumin khatsu pharmacological medicine antidepressants ho elole anti anxiety medicine ho chu prescribe akibolin na abana chu low chu bana chu khatsu ele non pharmacological to counseling na azi chu depression ho hi depression hin anxiety hin adi sena su kha hele thought process na alungel hi depression ang hu ipa ki ngai se saying ahi lowale alung thim hi ke koi manyong thula ai koi da lo ke hi mi mo ka he dia negative cognitions na tam ta ne yuvin na about self about others about the world na negative cognitions ho ne yun e lowale anxiety ho hun worries excessive worries na ai lo pp ang lung kham ai lo wale infection nei khang ka te ta khut sop yeng OCD ho bang ai lo wale ipam khat hung ki de he ta ki cha yeng ti ho na chu a thought process ji handle na ding khun therapy yong angai in medicine puma cognitive behavioral therapy kidin CBT so intervention ho hu I bola le high chances of recovery na umin ji relapse the hin treatment zowa kum izat ham phata ahi wanga chu hung the kit yong thil ahin na stressful situation ham ahi lowale thil hasat na ho itu ham yong le ji chu hung kit the hin ahi wangin chi phat le chun yong aman therapy a learn ho chu ahi lowale a medicine chu continue bola le normal life na chichu lead a bol the
ai le khat ga do be kileng to behavioral therapy ti ho khuna amdan chu dilhila Mumbai la ta major city la dunga chu facility hoi ding he ya not east la dung ta banga he koi ta bang khat chu behavioral therapy ham khat ngai ta han lang hele chi condition ho chu pi alternative thayam ai level health facility tabang dengan gale
tua in langa yung churjan pura wang ko psychiatrist bo min psychologist ai lo likyo a branch nai puna evang infala rims ahin jn ahin ani ni hun clinical psychologist ahin abana psychiatrist ahin ani nin ani yuvin na amho abana langa pana nimhansa train student ho elo le trainee bol ho yung in langa ko jn to affiliate ham elo le Siza hospital in yung umin affiliate in amu ko maung ko tu awang tu Manipura yung umin aban le Guwahati Medical College hin Tejpur ti hodung na nagle na wang ko kahet jet po na hiwangin nimhan street ni ho wang tu them khat o moving private practice ball ay wang tu north east mun atam zo wang tu health professionals ho Linh tao cho zip tao na
ga do be kit lang na medam e khat psychiatric lo hi continuously ami khan short tan na hela de se na kidney ho ppm tong khai kiti ho jong ka za inten na so he ichana di ham ai lo wa hele psychiatric lo psychiatric depression anxiety lo ne khat chu pt na le phapen dam
I lo ane elewang chu ados hiana di a course thing ane ewang chu phapenin din side effect ideale in medicine lo zo se side effect lo hin na sinare sayong umin pro sinayong umin ju ai wanga psychiatrist honyong avet phanule medicine a prescribe masang punyong aboduwin check abolvin a blood test ho ipi ho chi parameters dung zuya chu amhonyong ama akitu piding na lo chu a prescribe hin na side effect bang chu lo thelo hin na lo zo siang hin ai wanga ivet di chu a benefit zo a effect zo chu ja chu ki focus zo zi hin na cancer na chu na
ne answer mama ai le mi khat addict ta han la ep ti data psychiatric low drugs ho he
low addicting khu achiza khu I doctor follow up regularly mun ani zo ham thathum zo ham ama condition dung zuya che lo thagup zo ham ji a patient pa condition dung zuya cho ase yu hin na ju ai wanga addictive ho wang chu athangpia apiu khu severe depression hodung elo anxiety sangbal pha imut thelo pha le chu imut na lo chibo hu addictive hin adang howang hu addiction chi ne thei umpon na awan chong khu so ta pi lo hin ji awanga doctor ho to consult bol chu elo regular am ho to follow up bol chu hoi pen din na che addiction home lo na dinga cho
bet kin le kan dong dia
la
clinical point of view mo at saknan apabang sot bidam lowa kizen ala hung beita ele achapa khan insung condition kha le ama dinga kha pogik setalo zona kha ama le ambang suicide ball ta mo ala anu to now pang neu cha pani hem pathum hem na sep ding dan le thei bek lo insung get kol hak sadi tak din muna thei din mun ala jeti goal kha anu khan le no other option mo nan chu suicide ma abol ding kha alunga thei condition ho kha bangolin clinical point of view in bangham ake help thei dim
zi chitabang thado pang gen ko chitabang condition chu thei ma mai na abana izo achu ka sei lo factors multifactorial ka tian factors khat ka sei lo khat chu ele familial factors yung ginin insunga suicide ball o umale insung mi te la chu suicide yong asang na theye amo chu yong vulnerable a hiwe di khat yong research finding khat a hin chi tabang to alun in a say tabang condition chu alang pi in umin na insunga a breadwinner pen hung thi elo suicide bola la adang ho dependent family members ho adang chu ha sama ma amo yong way out nei lo ti tamta mi ke ho clinic nga yong hung ho tam zo chi tamang helpless ki sa top amo ho yong suicidal thoughts nei yeng ti ho yong mi tamta ho min chi lai ta izo a ka sei banga chu chi tabang mi vulnerable ho imu ale approach bola reach out bolding community level ham ehloale society level ham ehloale church level hama amho to support happy amho to link ball be connect ball be chi chuwang to best solution mo at that point of time aha sat now head pi a itabanga kithu pi the ham ehloala a way out diu azi chomo to helpless ehitawin amasang di muthei talo na chipa na ku better coping better problem solving techniques ho elole problem resolution ho ha chi ho chu isei pi a discuss ball pi to a help reach out ball connect ball pi chawang chu important na first aid hiding in tokoi
Awe.
Bromin Lun.
I think.
Can you read the question?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Anchim de ham panam.
Sis Ellie, she has read.
Ana mulo holding in your phone, hung pong holding in Simni Ole. Let us say you meet someone who is about to kill themselves. If you had just 1 minute to dissuade someone from committing suicide, what do you say to them when you don't even know the reasons behind their suicide attempt? And your answer may decide their fate. Also, what do you say to someone who has given up completely on life?
Okay. That is one. If you just have 1 minute, so I think letting him know that there is help available, there is an alternate option rather than killing oneself. The message to reach out I think it might help, it might not help. But then he would have second option to think that there is some available resources or help which is there, which I can take as an option. The option seem to important in tin. When someone gives up completely, that means they are not able to focus or think of other possibilities. I think at this point of time, helping them to reach out to mental health professionals would be the ideal way. Mental health professionals koma pui. Azitu kehonyong iti condition demand sa ni khana kumi zanga zagup hungahin cha ko admission first priority admission ki bol ham atila when there is harm to self harm to self, harm to others. The criteria hai umaleju without second thought, without their consent, without anybody's concern, you can just admit them because they are there is a risk to their life. Ji ama ayong hi risk to life hin ahi ama consent nga lowa yung nangin a help ding navet pi the hin na. I think he seems to be quite suicidal, so it's better to get mental health professionals help
So he's saying thank you. I think you have clarified it very well. Part one, we are 40 minutes. Ikhel Tavin, I think this is such an important topic. Adia Tulai pandemic pera. I would like to give maybe like another three or 4 minutes before I give time to Dr. Sadkai for the word of thanks and concluding prayer. Still the floor is open. Okay, lo taole avelin ki paum hezingin. Thank you Tiri Tang zong kanay po bin hizong la tua hi official word of thanks dinga ating concluding prayer dinga respected Dr. Sadkai Patkan PA.
Ki patu yong tu sei yong yong hitan yong le avelin angdong lamhil le angdong lamhil lamkai ho le tunia hong kai khom ho lo se thalengin Dr. Kim chunga ki patu kain phong ki nin ki pam le jengin ama hi ni vei hong panga hitan apalanga sei dinga chu patron member le dia kila aso thingdan ko naumin adi dia sei dinga chu thuma tam ta tol ta tunil ha de chu PowerPoint phatte cha in bol pi chu hoi ka sale jingin chule tua khangdong lamilin jong igel kho pen ta ula a khat chu che hin lockdown hum le covid tam mo ja khangdong tampi lonely a hia chule depressia chule tua vulnerability se ho loi jo si chu igel kho ji wa chu khangdong la phil ti ta sa jong ra ba jong phat chu pi the na di vai na bol do hin ije chun ichi to ke saya holim na thupi ta I know ta phat chu pi the mong ei sei do pi Dr. Kim chunga ki pa thu sei zo lo khangdong thaleng min le ke min in jong ki pa thu ka sei na he ki ma cha ki pen ji lo hin ki pe nom le jong le ma ki nei in la patta cha record ka bol wa patta cha WhatsApp Facebook WhatsApp jong ni koi ta win Facebook thu ma hin chule website ki se min cha hi ka koi wa khunung ya mi tampi na phat chu pi thei diu pai to ga wai ki san di witin kimin patta cha nei hil chu na loi na gol hole na pa ti dam ken jong kan ki pa pi mong e ade senin ken jong ministry counseling kana bol in thiltam pi kazi thiltam pi agisei sa ho ki jil sa ho tha ben refresh ka hin ka phachom le jengin ki pa min adia Christian ho adinga hi hitabang counseling hi tu chan gein sang tai na ki bol do theipun izong le o indung hi han lang chang vela hi jong le tam ta i kho sa upa hi counseling a i ti he tu ding ham ai lo le hitabang suicide ding ki go om teng le chun hi cha thought process pa chu hung khi la na thei lam pi khana chu chom phat be i ti ki thu pi the ding ham ti gel nau pa hi tunia in sei pi pan san da thei tam pi zaw ho chun khangdong tam pi phat chom pi de hi ti ka ta san jen ki pa thu vel in sei jo lo ka hin ponge pathen in dam na pen tin in chen jong pasal pata ta jong in pen tin in chen jong pate chan min tin khunung chan ge in dong thil pha tam pi hil jing han ti chu kain phon in tin avela ngai chan nam jong le nong pan kit jing jeng dinga jong ka hin te me he kim ki pa e au na hin mangin ka te ta wi te pakai ka pathin dam sela tunila webinar jong ka chai the ji un namin lo pi ka thang wau na he aden khangdong tampin nang ma het lo ziu ti dam a hi lo le atho gim naw sang sa be se je wa tho zo lo wa ma hin kho ge ja kila ding tia gel naw thil tam pi ho ai thei chana su haya a lo te ding dei sa na a tu ni ni la a kang dong lam hil webinar a thu che a e pan pe Dr. Kim ne hat hin nang man patake chan ki goin ke ho jo sia ngai jo se ro khunung ge hin ngai ho ding in phachom ta e sei do pi zen jong ama zalin ka ke pa namin lo pi ka thang bau nei pathian nang ma ama hin khole ato gun ho anato na nang ma pang jing jeng in lang in lol hin sa to pen lang mi tam pi hin u do na a mun phalai tam pi a mi tam pi mental health problem nei ho loi boina ho su thap na hung pan jom jing theina ding in athu se la sa ajong nang ma hung pangin lang mi ho na za te ngol van til o banga za wa pathen ichi ju hin pi na ne wa hin kho tam pi ki hu do zo na ding in hin na pum pi hin ana to ana thil bol na dam thei phat the na pen nang ki tho pi jing in tia na lung set ko to na ngai cha ka taw pi wa hi so le he pa khang dong lamil ho la jong lam kai thei tam pi nei pe win tu ni nilha phata hin lam kaya mary hin yin nang man dam na pha pen lang so le ana to thil bol na nang ma pan pi jing in lang aloi pa dinga jong mi phacho ma na sem jinga so le kunung chan ge ya jong thil pha tam pi bol do ana pan sa ding in jong ka taw pi hi so le tu ni nilha hung kai khoma ai lo le tu ni webinar hung da so pi le naw ko ya kai cha te hi win so le kala wa sun thei ta ta saum ta pastor ho yen lang lecturer ho yen lang professor ho jong le ong za ho zo se na ho limpia hi chi kaza ho jong him ni kom be jong ka sei pi son thei na david lung thim pha nei pe bin lang ta sa hin na ho thei na ding din mun tam pi a ka din pi zo wa mi tam pi ka hu do thei na david a dei bo win tia ka ta bo hi so le he pa hi chi hung ki sei do ho hin ngai na lai ding ho gen jong ka tau pi ve pathian nang man angai jo sin no phat chom pi na hin nei the na ding in punung chan ge hin ngai ding ho ge a jong nang man phat thei bo dia ka ta bo hi ka pha du ka chai ta win ka za ho ka ki po wa so le thil pha tam pi ka bol do the na di win tam nei pe win lang hap ta lung ke jong nang man nei pu yu wa tu lai dam mo be se na ho ta nei chom khan wa nang man nei ven bi no wa ka khut ka kem ka nung thim ka jet le ka ve ka nung ka mau wa nang man na chi jinga nei hon pi jing di win ka ta won ni akit ki pam ta ka mu ma win jong nang man khat che dam de phat he nei pe win tia da lung set ko to na ngai cha e ngai do wa hin jing ka pakai jesu krista bina ka ta wa hi amen
Hai
so
pa
le
ki pa
ke ka ki pa boy